Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everybody. Our period today, grade 7, attention. Our period today is revision. I'll solve with you the math revision sheet. This revision sheet is very, very, very important, and your study portion for the trial exam is this sheet. So study it well. I will send a copy without answer and another copy with full answer. I'll start to solve the problems with you now. Okay. First question number 1 is simplify. Simplify, I put for you 9 problems related to simplification. Okay, to simplify we have to factorize. If I have a common factor, take it in the beginning, and such is 4x over x. So easy. We can cancel x with x because it will give me 1, so the answer will be 4, not more. Okay, question number 2, 6y over 2. Y still as it is, but I can divide up and down by common factor, which is 2. So when I divide by 2 up, it will be 3, and when I divide by 2 down, it will be 1. So the answer will be 3y. I think it's very easy. 2y over 10y. I'll cancel y with y, and divided by 2 equal 1, divided by 2 equal 5. So the answer is 1 over 5. I'm still in simplify. Question number 4, it's multiplication. This sign means multiplication, but I use it to not confuse between the sign of multiplication and the x. 3x over 4 multiply 3x over 3. As any fraction, we multiply numerators together and denominators together. But in the beginning, we can cancel 3 with 3. Give me 1. It's allowed you to cancel oblique like this up and down in case of multiplication only. So I'll cancel 3 with 3, or cancel 3 up with 3 down. So what's left? 3x multiply x equal 3x square and down 4. 3x square and down 4. We can cancel this 3 with this 3, or cancel this 1 with that 1. It's up to you. But just 1 will cancel the up with the 3 down. Number 5, also multiplication. 5x multiply 8. 5x over 4 multiply 8 over x. We can simplify also. Divided by 4 equal 1, divided by 4 equal 2. Cancel x with x. Okay, like this. I'll cancel divided by 4 equal 1, divided by 4 equal 2. Cancel x with x. It will be 3 times 2 up and just 1 down. So this is the answer. In question number 6, multiply. So I'll multiply up together and down together. But if you can simplify, cancel, you can. So here we can cancel 5a with 5a and 3 with 3. What's left? 4a up over 2. Divided 4 by 2 equal 2a. So the answer will be 2a, as you see here. The answer will be 2a. In question number 7, multiplication. A cubed multiply a square, the same base, so it will be a and add the power. 3 plus 2 equal 5, like this. In number 8, division. In case of division, for the same base, I'll minus the power. C6 divided by C2, it will be C4, because 6 minus 2 equal 4. And here I'll multiply all them together, the same a, so I'll write a just one time and add the power. 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal a power 9. I think very easy problem. Again, your study portion is to study this sheet. Find the length of side. We have 2 kinds of question ask find the length of side x. By using tan or by Pythagorean theorem. Okay, here he give me angle 30, and I have here right angle triangle. The side facing to the right angle, we call it hypotenuse, and according to the angle he give it to me, this is will be opposite and 14 will be adjacent. Okay, and of course you know that tan is opposite over adjacent, so tan 30 equal x over 14, like this. Tan 30 equal x over 14. When I make cross multiplication, so x equal tan 30 multiplied by 14. Easy, I can find it directly. Press tan and 30 on your calculator equal 0.577, just 3 decimal places enough. Okay, and here this tan 30 must multiply by 14. So this is a value of tan 30 multiplied by 14 equal, this is the answer, 8.08. 8.08, that's enough. So this is the answer. Okay, also find the length. We have angle 60. The opposite of angle 60 is x, the adjacent is 50, and we are in right angle triangle. So by calculating tan 60 equal opposite x divided by adjacent 50. Multiply tan 60 times 50, give you the value of x. Also use your calculator to press tan 60 equal what? Okay, then multiply by the length 50. Okay, so it will be 86, sorry, 0.6. 86.6. The same way I calculate x by finding tan 45 equals 16 over x, equals 16 over x, because the opposite is 16 and the adjacent is x, like this. Okay, so here x multiply tan 45 equals 16, so x itself equal 16 over tan 45. Please take care from this kind. So I'll divide 16 over the value of tan 45, you will get it 16, because tan 45 equal 1. Number 4, I have right angle triangle. The angle is 45, the opposite is 10, and the adjacent is x. So tan 45 equal 10 over x. Tan 45 equal 10 over x. So x equal, in such a case, if x is down, not up. If x is up, it will be easy. Multiply the tan by the length. But if x is down, you will take 10 divided by tan 45. As I said to you, tan 45 equal 1. So 10 divided 1 equal 10. Okay. This is the first question, simplify, and second question, find the length of x. Question number 3 related to the simultaneous equation. And as you know, we have two ways to solve a simultaneous equation. We have elimination and substitution. According to what the way I want from you to use, you have to use. In the first simultaneous equations, in the first system of equations, we have x plus y equal 8, x minus y equal 2. By elimination, in the beginning, I have to label the equations, which is 1, which is 2, and then add. When I add, I'll cancel y positive with y negative. What I have 2x equal 8 plus 2 equal 10. Divided by 2 both sides to get just 1x by this way, so x equal 5. I didn't finish. Don't forget to find the value of y, because the solution is point. Now substitute x equal 5 in any equation you want. I substitute here in equation 1. So 5 plus y equal 8. That's to say that's to say y equal 3. So the solution is x first and then y. X first and then y. So it will be 5 and 3. The second simultaneous equations, x plus y equal 2 and 2x minus y equal 1. I asked you to solve by elimination. So I label the equations and add, like this. Label the equation and add. In each time you have to say that's addition. Okay, so cancel y with y positive with y negative. About x, we have 1x and 2x equal 3x. 2 plus 1 equal 3. I'll divide by 3 both sides to get x equal 1. I didn't finish. Substitute x equal 1 in any equation you want, like equation number 1. So y will be 1. So the answer, equation number 1, x equal 1 plus y equal 2. So y equal 1. The solution is 1 and 1. The third equation also I ask you to use elimination. X minus y and 2x plus y. Each equation, the first one equal 11, the second equal 19. So label each equation and add. You will get 3x cancel y with y, like this. Cancel y with y. So you have 3x equals 6 divided by 3x equal 3. Substitute x in any equation you want to get the value of y. I substituted in equation 1, so 3 plus y equal 1, so y equal negative 2. The solution is x first and then y 3 and negative 2. Question number 4 or equation number 4. X plus y equal 11, x minus y equal 5. I want from you to use elimination. So I label 1 and 2, then add. Cancel y with y because we have different, the same number before each y with different sign. So here I have 2x equal 18 divided by 2, both sides, so x equal 8. Substitute x equal 8 in any equation you want, you will get y equal 3. The solution is 8 and 3. Number 5, take care بنات from these problems. Important, x minus y equal 11 to x plus y equal 19. I'll use elimination. I'll cancel y positive with y negative. Now you have 3x equal 30. So divided by 3 both sides, x equal 10. Substitute x in any equation. I choose the first equation. X minus y equal 11. So 10 minus y equal 11. That's to say y equal negative 1. The answer is 10 and the negative 1. Important, important, important. In number 6, the same idea. 4x positive plus 9y equal 28. Negative 4x minus y equal negative 28. So label the two equations, add. Okay, you have here 8y equals 0. So I divided by 8 both times, so y equals 0. Substitute in any equation like this equation, y equals 0. So you have 4x plus 9 times 0 equals 0, equal 28. So you have 4x equal 28 divided by 4, so x equal 7. Now the solution is x 7 and y 0. This is question number 3, contain 6 simultaneous equations. Question number 4, solve for x. I ask you to solve the equation. 3x over 4 equals 6. You can use cross multiplication. Okay, so here 6 we can put it over 1 and make cross multiplication like this. Okay, so in the beginning here I use cross multiplication. So 3x equal 4 times 6 equal 24. Divided by 3, so x equal 8. Okay, or to clear the denominator, we can multiply both sides by 4. Multiply here by 4 and cancel 4 with 4. Multiply here by 4 equal 24. What's left on the left side? 3x equal 24. Divided by 3 abundant here and there, x equal 8. any way you will find yourself familiar with it, use it, but I want correct way. Also, the second equation, 2x over 3 equal 4. We can multiply both sides by 3 to clear the denominator, or we can use cross multiplication, as you see here. Multiply both sides by 3, so the right side contain 2x and the left side will be 12. Divided by 2 both sides, so x equals 6. Or I put for you the two ways. Make cross multiplication, so 2x equal 12 and x equal 6. In number 3 is the same idea. 2x over 8 equal 1. We can multiply both sides by 8 to clear the denominator or make cross multiplication. Okay, so this is, I forget to give you number 3. Number 3, also make cross multiplication or multiply both sides by 5. This is number 3. Multiply both sides by 5, so the left side contain x and the right side negative 10. So x equal negative 10. Or make cross multiplication. Put negative 2 over 1, so x multiply 1 equal x. 5 times negative 2 equal negative 10. Now number 4, 2x over 8 equal 1. You can multiply both sides by 8 or make cross multiplication. Multiply by 8, you will cancel 8 with 8 equal 2x. 2x equal 8. So just 1x equal 4. Or cross multiplication, 2x multiply 1 equal 8 multiply 1. So 2x equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Okay? This is number 4. I put for you 8 equations. In question number 4, solve for x. Point number 5 in question 4, we have 10 over x equal 5, the same. You can multiply by x both sides to clear the denominator or make cross multiplication. Here you have proportion 4 over x equal 1 over 2. Two fractions equal each other. You can clear the denominator. Here the denominator is x and 2. So you can multiply both sides by 2x. Cancel x with x. What's left 2 multiply 4 equal 8. Cancel 2 with 2. What's left x multiply 1. So x equal 8. Or make cross multiplication. X multiply 1 equal x and 4 multiply 2 equal 8. You will get the same answer. Number 7. 3 over 5 equal 6 over x. What I have the denominator 5 and x. We can multiply both sides by them. 5x and here 5x. Cancel 5 with 5. What's left 3 multiply x. Cancel x with x. What's left 5 times 6 equal 30. So 3x equal 30 divided by 3. So x equal 10. Or make cross multiplication. 3 times x equal 3x and 5 times 6 equals 30. Divide by 3 both sides, so x equal 10. Important. This equation, important. This is number 8. X minus 14 equal 3. X minus 14 equal 3 and the question asked me solve for x. So x equal what? Here I'll keep x aside and take the number to the other side with opposite sign. So x equal 3 in its place plus 14, not negative 14. So x equal 17. Okay? By this way, I finish question number 4, which is related to solve for x. Find x. Okay? I'll stop the video here and then I'll complete in another video. But I want to see you if I want to change these questions into multiple choice, how the questions will be. I'll see them to you in the next video. Thank you. Best wishes.